Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how we can connect to a Windows 11 device from an Arch Linux device, and we'll be using RDP. Now I'm on the Arch Linux device. We just need to make sure that we have a tool called Remmina installed. That's the one we'll use to do the RDP connection, and then we'll need the RDP plugins. Now I'm gonna open the terminal here, or the console, and I'm gonna run the command to install Remmina. Now I already have Remmina installed here, but let me just run the command. It's sudo pacman -s and then Remmina here. Put in a password. Yes. Okay. Next we'll look at the command to install the RDP plugin. It's a sudo pacman -s free RDP. Y for yes, and then we'll install another plugin here, Spice GTK, and then we'll do one for VNC, LB VNC server, yes, and that's it. The next thing we need is the IP address on the Windows 11 device, and then we also need to enable, this is the Windows 11 device. I'm gonna need to enable RDP or remote desktop. So remote desktop, search for remote desktop settings, and then make sure that it's turned on here. And then you can also add the users that are allowed to remotely connect to this PC. If you don't already have a user, you can create a user by going to computer management. So open computer management and then go to local users and groups. Click on users. Right click in this window, new user. I'm gonna call the user Joe. Then put in a password here. I'll use 123. Create, close. There is our new user. I'm gonna minimize this. Here I'm just gonna click here, add. Let's search for Joe. Check names. Click OK. Now we have Joe added. Okay. Lastly, we need the IP address. So open the command prompt. Type cmd, and then here type in ipconfig. The IP is 172.16.1.103. Now we have all the information we need. We can go back to the Arch Linux device. Here we can open Remmina by typing in Remmina. And to verify if you have Remmina installed, just do which Remmina. There we can see that we have it installed. Okay, to open it, just type Remmina. And this is the tool right here. We're going to be using RDP, but you need to add the connection. Let me delete this one. Click on the plus sign. Protocol is RDP. Now the server is the IP for the Windows 11 device, 172.16.1.103. We have the user Joe here. We need their password, which is 123. Okay, everything else I'm leaving as default. I'm gonna save the connection. This is our connection right here. I'm gonna double click on it. Okay, so it's saying there's another user signed in. We can go here. Okay, we can say yes, we want to disconnect the other user. And then I can go back here and click OK. That should log me out. Okay, now it's if it's a new user, it might take a minute to set up the profile for the account. But if you get to this point, that means your RDP connection is working. I'm just going to select next here, next, accept, and I'm logged in. And that's it. That's how you can connect to a Windows 11 device from an Arch Linux device, and we're using RDP. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.